Okay, my friend asked me to sing this Adele song, so I'm gonna try this, so don't judge me. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the game you played, you will always win. But I set fire to rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the game you played, you would always win.